First Politburo meeting for Valerio Sibanda. Zarapena mashoko anobuda panguva ino tiona kuti yesterday patozori kwa kune ZANU-PF Politburo meeting. A session yatakaona kuti Valerio Sibanda wamoziva kuti is a retired soldier. Panguva ino he was recently appointed into this powerful ZANU-PF decision making board. Zarapena mashoko anobuda nyogwa panguva ino panguva ino kwaunzi pane constitutional crisis. Ponchitene House Vision 2030. Do pandoti bot subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team Nam ZFM studio Abdanyara Chiti. General retired Valerio Sibanda has arrived for his first ZANU-PF Politburo meeting following his recent appointment to the party's top decision-making body by President and First Secretary of the ruling party, President Mnangagwa. Sibanda was appointed into the party's powerful organ and highest decision-making body earlier this month after his retirement from the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. He has joined senior party officials at the party headquarters in Harare as proceedings got underway. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ino atikuona kuti as now nyama tensions panguva ino zviri kunokanzi they are intensifying in the ruling party ZANU-PF. We are seeing Valerio Sibanda is emerging from stakes of power as a retired soldier. Panguva ino tichimuona achipinda mu the decision making board here the ZANU-PF Politburo. Panguva ino zvakasenda mashoko at a time yataona kuti VP Kosano Chiwenga is at odds nema ZANU-PF lieutenants vanopusha for Vision 2030 ma constitutional amendments. Some of them panguva ine vanyatso kuona kuti is a threat. The anti-Zvigananda function inonzi iri opposed the constitutional amendments. Mboto dzemafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Comment section medu dzafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.